Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ryan Dens, and on this episode, we're going to talk about Decentraland, and we're going to talk about two things. One, why I think it's going to break out, and two, some big news that just happened. And we'll discuss both of those. But before we do that, you're going to want to smash that like and subscribe button. All right, now let's go. So, what's going on right here is an obvious falling wedge pattern that is about to break out. Hopefully it is about to break out. It's about to do one of two things. It's going to make a decision here soon. Usually, not all the time, but almost all the time, it'll make a decision. And it's going to do one of two things. It's going to either blast up that way or blast down this way. It's been consolidating for a while, ever since it had this all-time high here. And then the metaverse in general just sold off. Basically, the entire crypto market has sold off. But it's been heating up a little bit right now. Let's just take a look at Bitcoin so you can see what the general market's doing. It's funny because it's like almost the exact same pattern, not as drastic, but yeah, you can see Bitcoin here doing, I mean, obviously it's not the same thing, but like we're kind of waiting for this. And like what's happening is we're getting some good volume here and you know, decent volume, not like great, but hopefully it'll break through here. And if Bitcoin breaks through there on some good volume, then Decentraland's coming next. So we just got to hope that happens. So yeah, I mean, if Bitcoin breaks through that on heavy volume, you're going to see Decentraland and all the metaverse coins go bonkers, because they always basically, if Bitcoin goes up 10%, these go up 30%. Bitcoin goes up 20%, these go up like 100%. So that's what you got to look for. And here's the news. I won't make you wait any longer for that. There's details on a partnership with Steph Curry. So, you know, they're not telling us a lot, but they're going to release more information today. There's a partnership with Under Armour, and we're going to see what happens in the metaverse. So maybe you could buy Under Armour clothing from the metaverse and then play Steph Curry one-on-one in the metaverse, and you could probably beat him, because that's the only way you're going to beat him in basketball, is if it's in an alternate reality. So that's the news for today. I mean, it's looking good, right? You know, this is looking real nice right here. If it goes to here, that would be when you buy, especially if it breaks 350. If it breaks 350, especially if it's on heavy volume, that's when you buy, because it'll probably go like somewhere, you know, in that area. So not investment advice, do your own research, but look at this. Everything's green today. Things could be turning around. So only time will tell. Do your own research and hit that like and subscribe button. Have a wonderful day.